So we've got the what do we want to call it? Fuck, we don't know what to call it yet.
Don't have a name for it yet.
Hey guys, we got the WRX up in the air, and Ryan explained to us before that he's got a whole bunch of plans lined up for it. In fact, he said that he had a whole bunch of parts already. So,
so this is the old exhaust, right? Straight pipe, really. And
we've got a new exhaust type here.
Yep, I got a new one.
Let's go get that.
what do we got? What the? Whoa!
It's a HKS.
Got a friggin' rocket launcher to put on it.
HKS catback.
Holy crap! This is beautiful.
Carbon fiber muffler.
Wait, what?
What?
Carbon fiber wrapped.
Brian.
These are high grade performance parts right here.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap! Oh, let's put them side by side.
Yep. Looks that right.
Sure.
I'm gonna have to take that piece off
Ah, you
Good.
and use it for,
Oh,
for
well,
now.
For now. For now. Sweet. Alright, well, for now, we will swap the old crap over to the HKS and bolt it up to the downpipe up there. And see how this thing sounds, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. You said the guy before was shooting flames with this thing?
Yeah, he had a little bit more work done, but
We'll get there.
yeah.
Good old rusted parts.
Ryan's making me hungry. He said this is a donut. He lied.
It's a donut gasket.
This is.
Goes over there,
Wait, that's the metal that you
and
just
then
like.
it seals that.
Yeah. So that metal used to be like this, used to be that?
Yeah. See the resemblance?
Oh yeah. Uncanny.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Got that all attached. Mid pipe. Next. Axle back. Can't wait to hear how this sounds. Ryan is tightening up the last couple bolts. Look at that. This is like, it's totally transformed. Like, I want to say the undercarriage of the car, but when you look at it from the side, I mean, it's just transformed the image of the car, really. Yeah. Okay, yep.
We'll work on it. It sounds good though.
It looks amazing.
HKS. Badass, right?
Oh yeah.
Let us know down in the comments what you think. If you like the videos, make sure to click to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we will be back next time installing more stuff.
Oh yeah. I got more stuff.
We got lots more coming up. Also, we have decals in the description below. Go to zturnerdesigns.com/shop and pick one up for yourself, and you'll be badass. It really helps out the channel. It makes it so that we can get better videos to you guys quicker.
Do it.
Do it.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Wait, hey Ryan. So is that, what is this, 4 inches?
That is
5 inches?
4.5.
4.5.
I think it's 4.
Yeah, that looks like 4.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yes.